go to people development. Trap, being selfish. Reality, you need to focus 80% of your attention on helping others grow, learn, and achieve. So if you're trying to develop other people, and you're like, oh God, I'm just spending all my time just developing them. Good. I'm spending all my time pouring into my team. Good. That is what you're trying to do, is to develop them. You're trying to do that. Well, then they're going to know everything I know. They're going to leave me. So what? You know why else they're going to leave you? Because you don't pour into them, and somebody else will. It's going to happen either way. And you know why else they're going to leave you? Because shit happens, so people leave. So you can choose. Like, I had this question last night. Oh shit! I was talking to a guy that's was onboarding to join our team, and I've known him since 2007. It's probably like 12 at night because he's on the West Coast. And he's like, Nick, I have to ask you this before I pull the trigger. How can you still, after all this, after everything that just happened, after all the people that made all those commitments, all those people that you poured into, and the money you supported them with, and this and that, and the ones that did you dirty, how can you still have this in you? How do you still have it in you? Because there's a chain of values, or there's a set of global beliefs for me, which are faith, belief in others, joy, and I either have to change those to not believe in people still, or to not want to develop people still. I have to go up and say, people are assholes, let me live a pessimistic life, and let me live having no faith in human beings. And I just don't want to live that life. I'd rather just say, okay, people are going to leave. Some are going to do it right, but most are going to do it wrong.
Please try again.
No, I am. I'm trying. Fuck. That's what I'm saying, Siri. Thank you for the reinforcement. Oh, that was beautiful. That was perfect timing.